All right, just a quick review. Soaked all of the parts, nuts and bolts, and shims for the fenders. This is just the uh, front left fender. So I went through and soaked everything to get all the rust off of them, all the nuts and bolts, and it seemed worked out pretty good. It just looked almost brand new. Um, so some of them still have the original blue paint on them. And then here's the hood latch. So that cleaned up really nice. Soaked it good, all the rust and all the little paint off. Worked great. So just a quick update. And as I said before, I'm doing it in these trays so I can label each tray as I go. So that way I still remember what part went where. And so I've got a box of stuff I've been going through, and that's it. So I'm just gonna keep moving and keep cleaning.